Alright Alex, this is Dad. I'm going to show you how to backwash the pool while Mom and I are out. So first thing you do is you come over to this panel, open it up. And you notice you can hear the pump running down there. And this red light is on under right next to the filter button. So you just click this and that red light will turn off. Just click it once. And you can hear the pump turn off. So when you come over here to this tank, you'll see it's got like a mark on this lever, little bump out, and points to where it says filter, or on this side backwash. So whatever this bump out is pointing to is the function you're going to use. You're only going to, for the sake of this, you're only going to either use filter or backwash. So now that the pump is off, you can safely turn this. You're not supposed to turn this at all while that's still running, or the pump down there is running. So what you do is you push this lever down, and you kind of hear some water draining out of there, which is fine. You just keep it turned down. You turn it all the way over to backwash, and it'll lock in. So then you come back over here, and you turn this on, and it'll take a couple seconds, but the pump is going to kick back on, so you can hear that. And then what I do is I come over and I kind of hustle up. And you'll see this pipe where it's draining out. And if you watch this water, it's going to be a little bit dirty. You can see it's a little bit brownish coming out of there. So we're going to let this run. Usually takes a couple minutes. So what I'm going to do is stop the video, and when it gets clean, I'll start another one.